Hi guys, welcome to my channel Tech Info Education with TK. Today I am introduce a app named Upstox. About Upstox. Upstox is a share market app. If you have lots of money, you can invest and earn lots of money. Upstox gives today trending. Upstox gives a opportunity. If you download this app and you can create a account, you get 300 Flipkart voucher 300 and you refer and share this app, you give earn 600 rupees. So download and instant use this app. Stay tuned of my channel Tag Info Education with TK.